Hello students, I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 2, Addition and Subtraction. In this chapter our topic is oral addition and subtraction. In this video we are going to focus on a quick and a simple technique to find the solution. Let's start. Add 70 and 20 orally. Look in the ones place in 70 and 20. We have 0. And we know that 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So write 0. Now look in the tens place in 70 and 20. That is 7 plus 2 which is equal to 9. So write 9. So the sum is 90. Let's try the another example. Add 400, 300 and 100 orally. Look in the ones place and tens place in 400, 300 and 100. We have 2 zeros in each. So write 2 zeros in the sum. 1 zero in ones place and second zero in tens place. Then add the digits at hundreds place. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So the sum is 800. Let's try one more. Add 5,000, 11,000 and 2,000 orally. Look in the ones place, tens place and hundreds place in 5,000, 11,000 and 2,000. We have 3 zeros in each. So what we have to do? Yes, write 3 zeros in the sum. Then add 11 plus 5 is equal to 16 and 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. So the sum is 18,000. Let's practice this one. Add orally. Question number A. 30 plus 40 is equal to dash. First, look in the ones place in 30 and 40. We have 0 and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Now look in the tens place. We have 3 plus 4 which is equal to 7. So the answer is 70. Question number B. 20 plus 60 plus 40 is equal to dash. Can you tell me what we have to write in ones place? Yes, 0 because 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Now at the tens place 2 plus 6 is equal to 8 and 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So the answer is 120. The next is question number C. 900 plus 500 is equal to dash. Look at the ones place and tens place in 900 and 500. How many zeros we have? Yes, 2 zeros. So write 2 zeros. Then add the digits at hundreds place. 9 plus 5 which is equal to 14. So the sum is 1400. Question number D. 100 plus 200 plus 500 is equal to dash. Can you tell me how many zeros we have to write? Yes, 2 zeros. Then what we have to add? Yes, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So the answer is 800. Let's practice one more. Question number E. 13,000 plus 3,000 plus 13,000 is equal to dash. Look in the ones place, tens place and hundreds place in 13,000, 3,000 and 13,000. We have 3 zeros in each. So write 3 zeros. Then add the digit in the thousands place. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Then add the digit in the 10,000s place. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the answer is 29,000. And the last is question number F. 47,000 plus 13,000 is equal to dash. Again, look in the ones place, tens place and hundreds place and tell me how many zeros we have to write. Yes, 3 zeros. Then add the digit in the thousands place. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So write 0 in the thousands place and carry 1 to the 10,000s place. Now add the digit in the 10,000s place. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So the answer is 60,000. Our next topic is Oral subtraction. Let's start. Subtract 20 from 60 orally. So first we will write 60 minus 20. In subtraction also, look in the ones place in 60 and 20. We have 0 and we know that 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So write 0 in ones place. Then look in the tens place in 60 and 20. We have 6 minus 2 which is equal to 4. So the answer is 40. Let's try another example. Subtract 200 from 400 orally. So first we will write 400 minus 200. Look in the ones place and tens place in 400 and 200. We have two zeros in each. And we know that 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Again, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Now, look in the hundreds place in 400 and 200. We have 4 minus 2 which is equal to 2. So, the difference is 200. Let's try one more. Subtract 4000 from 7000 orally. So, first we will write 7000 minus 4000. Look in the ones place, tens place and hundreds place in 7000 and 4000. Can you tell me how many zeros in each? Yes, 3 zeros. And we know that 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Again 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 and 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Then see the thousands place. 7 minus 4 which is equal to 3. So the answer is 3000. Let's practice this one. Subtract orally. Question number A. 90 minus 20 is equal to dash. Look in the ones place in 90 and 20. We have 0. Can you tell me what we have to write in ones place? Yes, 0. Then subtract the digit in tens place. 9 minus 2 which is equal to 7. So the answer is 70. Question number B. 80 minus 50 is equal to dash. Again 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Then 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So the answer is yes, 30. The next is question number C. 900 minus 400 is equal to dash. Look in the ones place and tens place. We have two zeros. So write two zeros because 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Again 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Then subtract the digit in the hundreds place. 9 minus 4 which is equal to 5. So the answer is 500. Question number D. 7000 minus 4000 is equal to dash. Again look in the ones place, tens place and hundreds place in 7000 and 4000. We have 3 zeros. And 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So can you tell me how many zeros we have to write? Yes, 3 zeros. Now subtract the digit in the thousands place. 7 minus 4 which is equal to 3. So the answer is 3000. The next is question number E. 27,000 minus 17,000 is equal to dash. Look at the ones place and subtract 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Now subtract the tens place. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Again subtract the hundreds place. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Then subtract the thousands place. 7 minus 7 which is equal to 0. Then subtract the 10,000 place. 2 minus 1 which is equal to 1. So the answer is 10,000. And the last is question number F. 99,000 minus 9,000 is equal to dash. Can you tell me what we have to write in ones place, tens place and hundreds place? Yes, 0. Because 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Then subtract the digit in thousands place. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So write 0 in thousands place. Now subtract the digit in 10,000s place. 9 minus nothing is equal to 9. So write 9 in 10,000s place. So the answer is 90,000. So students, complete lesson 2, worksheet 3 and 7 once in maths textbook. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.